The FMCSA agricultural commodity exception found in 395.1 gives transporters operational flexibility. However, carriers and drivers need to understand the exception and its definitions. Drivers transporting ag commodities are exempt from the hours of service rules, including the requirement to log on an ELD with conditions. The exemption applies during the state's planting and harvesting season, when they stay within 150 air mile radius of the source of the commodities, and within 150 air miles of the destination when hauling livestock. When driving outside the 150 air mile radius, they are subject to the hours of service rules, and they must use an ELD if they have paper logged more than 8 times in any rolling 30-day period. Drivers exclusively hauling livestock or bees can log on paper and are exempt from using ELDs at any time. Visit the link in the description below for more details. FMCSA issued Section 395.1 Interpretations 34 through 37 in 2019. Here's a summary. The ag exemption can be used when traveling empty to or from the source. Use of the exception is allowed for the initial 150 air miles from the source of the commodity, regardless of the distance to final destination. The source of the agricultural commodities can be any intermediate storage or handling location away from the original source at the farm or field. It also clarified that the source is the first pickup location in a multi-stop load. Don't take chances, know your exception.